Hey guys, my name is Freedom. Today I'm going to show you how to stylize any of your realistic 3D avatar to become a stylized or cartoon avatar. I'm going to show you all these step by step. Let's go. Alright, this is the original 3D avatar, the human 3D avatar, realistic humans, and we are going to turn him into stylized 3D avatar, the cartoon 3D avatar, just in 1 minute. You can see this is the result of the final 3D avatar. At the beginning, it turns just from a realistic 3D avatar. Alright, so start from now, I'm going to just show you the steps how to make it in 1 minute. Alright, the prerequisites first, you need to get the actor mixer. If you not yet get this actor mixer plugin, you can just get it from my video descriptions. And also, next, you need to get another set that is called the Caricature Mixer. Just get it from my video description as well. I already put the link in my video descriptions. Alright, once you already get both of them, it will be really easy. The first step, just start the actor mixer. Start from the current. Once you already finished created a 3D avatar in your CC5. So just click start. Alright, now you can see the actor mixer is already at here. It already activated. Next, you can just go to the pack. Click here first. Then go to the template pack. Then choose the 3D avatar from here. Just now, if you already get the caricature mixer, you can just choose the one that you want. For example, I want this. Then just click the actor mixer. Make sure you choose the full body. Just drag and drop to somewhere. Alright, then just click start mixing. Alright, now you just need to drag this green dot to the one that you want him to be. Alright, it is really easy. Just drag until you feel satisfied and he will just become a stylized 3D avatar. It will just transform from the original realistic human 3D avatar to become a stylized 3D avatar. It is really easy. Then once you already done this, just click start mixing. Everything will just fix and you can just close. And now everything, your 3D avatar will just turn into a cartoon or stylized 3D avatar. Just like this.